how to change age on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your age on Snapchat. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple, so let me guide you through. If you wish to change your age on Snapchat, you'll have to change your birth date. So if you have set a certain birth date and now you want to change your age, then you'll have to change that birth date, right? It's pretty simple. So let me show you how you can do it. Simply open up Snapchat and you shall get an interface here. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and now you'll be headed to your profile page. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm on the profile page. The next step is to simply tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, you'll find the third option that says birthday. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on birthday option, you can see the birth date that I have set here previously. You can tap on it and now once I tap on it, I'll be able to change it from bottom of the screen and then tap on continue and change it. However, you'll have to choose carefully. As you can see, it says you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So this is how you can easily change your age on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.